Hi, my name is Collins Nweke. I'm the Vice President of Rebuild Nigeria Initiative. Rebuild Nigeria Initiative is for me an engagement tool for the sort of Nigeria that we desire. Now, over the years and increasingly, the disintegration discourse has continued to heighten to the point that it is actually overwhelming some sections of the Nigerian society, to the point that from left, right, and center, the call for cessation is heightening. Now, those who are meant to actually do something about it appear to be enjoying it because somehow it appears to be playing to their political favor. And so, some like-minded people have come together to say that there must be another way to encourage dialogue, to encourage peace conversations across Nigeria, and do what has to be done to get those in power, in authority, to begin to realize that the integration discourse has got to be stopped, and that dialogue is the only way out. That is the reason that Rebuild Nigeria Initiative RNI exists, and I am proudly part of it because I want to contribute my quota to a better Nigeria. Thank you.